Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can do some simple copying and pasting and using that to make yourself hundreds of dollars a day. This is mine and Ryan's channel, Ryan and Sam Hill. If this is your first time here, we do all sorts of videos all around making money online and basically just going after your dream, your positive mindset. And if you've got something that you want to do, go and do it. And that's what we try and push, and we're going to try and help you do, whether it's a bit of extra money on the side to supplement your income, or you actually want to break away from that 9 to 5 and you want to make your own way in the world, being an entrepreneur and making a full-time income using methods online. Ryan does the stock market. I do affiliate marketing, and I also do these videos here that are going to help you make some extra money to support your income that you currently have now. So as you can see going down the channel, we have a bunch of videos for you to go through and watch. If this is something that interests you, do go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss a video whenever we release a new one. So what I'm going to do now is I am actually going to get into the content so I can show you what it is that I'm talking about. So the site I want to talk to you about first is Quora. Quora is a really, really good site for information, for content, for articles, for questions asked and questions answered. You can pretty much find anything you want on this site. And so that's why it's going to be important for the copy and paste side, because this is where you're going to do your copy and pasting. Now, how can you make hundreds of dollars a day? Right, let me show you. And this is how you're going to get started. So first you're going to come to a site like Quora. There are other sites out there if you wish to use those, but for this we're going to talk purely on Quora. So there's 2 blogs I want to talk to you about that you can use, and then a website as well that I'm going to show you that you can go to. And it's where basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be writing articles, but the catch is you're not actually going to be writing any articles, because you're going to be getting all your information from another site, from already that widely available information. You're going to copy and paste that into an article and you're going to submit it. Simple as that. And when you're doing it, you can take snippets, best bits from various different articles, put them together and submit it as your own. I would never ever suggest that you go and take an article, completely copy it word for word, paste it and submit that, because that is not your own work. So what you're looking for is you're looking for inspiration and ideas, and you're going to take snippets from here, there and everywhere. So the first site is Wallet Squirrel, and Wallet Squirrel has lots of different ways that you can make money with, but for this we're going to talk about paid to write articles. And so when you're doing freelance writing, and so this could be writing like long or short stories, you could be writing for an individual, you could be writing for a business, you could be writing for somebody that needs help with social media, with website pages, their About Me page, just informational pages on a website, or whatever it may be. There are loads and loads of different things that freelance writers write about. And if you go in here, paid to write articles, click in here, it's going to give you a list of all of the ones that you can use to basically get paid to write for. And so you can just scroll down there and it will give you your list. The second one I want to talk to you about is this one is called Money Pantry. Okay. And this one actually has a bunch. So this is 101 ways. Okay. So if I go to about 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per post. That is the possibilities that are there for freelance writing. So yes, believe it or not, there is a way for anybody whether you're a stay-at-home mum, whether you're a full-time worker, whether you're a student that's in between jobs and out of college or university for the summer, or whatever it is that you do, you can make money doing this. As it says here, there is no investment required to do freelance writing. All you do is you sign up to a site that is accepting writers. No startup fee, and you get paid generally into PayPal, which most people have, because it's all remote and it's basically through the internet. The only thing required is PayPal for most sites. This is practically worldwide. There are some countries that don't use PayPal, and obviously if that is a country that you're in, then you may look for sites that actually offer a different payment service, but most of them offer PayPal. There is no shortage of freelance writing gigs. There is always somebody that needs something to be written for them. So we go down here and you can see the different kind of topics that need people to write for. So vacation travel, general interest, short stories, and the list goes on. As you go down, you can see in there somewhere there is going to be something that appeals to most people. And what you've got to remember is you're not actually creating this content. So if you don't know anything about it, that is fine. You don't need to know, because what you're going to do is you're going to take somebody else's knowledge. You're going to go and get all that information. You're going to compile it into an awesome article, and then you're going to submit it. It doesn't have to be your work. All it needs to be is different to what's already been put out. So all the same information is been supplied on let's say abs and getting a six-pack, for example. Everybody knows you have to do sit-ups, yet people still look for ways how to get your six-pack. And it doesn't matter in which way it's told. People still read different information, but it's still the same kind of information that they're reading, okay? So it's the same with everything down here. So there are lots of them. This one here, Wunderlust. You get paid £220 pounds per post. So this is, as it says, Britain-based. Wunderlust targets the travel market as well. Writers are known to have received £220 for their featured article, which is around about 1,000 words. Then you've got this one here, Great Escape Publishing. They pay $50 to $200 per post. Then you've got this one here, Alaska Airlines Magazine, $150 to $700 per post. So all you need to do is to sign up for these sites, or one that suits you or that you like the sound of, and then see what jobs need completing, and then go and find your content, copy and paste it into something like Google Docs and submit it. You can put in pictures. Generally, when you find the information, you're going to find pictures. So if we go to Quora here, and let's search how to get abs fast. We don't want to add a question. So how do I get a six-pack? So there's 605 answers. You can view them, or you can just look at this one. And you click more, and you're going to get information like this on how you get abs. Now, this is free information, widely available for anybody to see. You can take snippets from this article then, if you wanted. You can go back, view all answers for this, and then you can literally look down here, related questions. How do I get six-packs abs as quickly as possible? Six-pack from running. And all of the questions here, all of the answers here have something different. And so you just take little different pieces, piece them together to create your own article. And then you've got your own unique piece of work. So then you can go over to Google Docs, put all your information together, put a few images in there that are royalty-free images, and then you submit it. And if it gets approved, you get paid. And it really is as easy as that. Real proper copy and paste stuff. So you're not having to worry about spelling, you're not having to worry about punctuation, grammar, anything like that. Now, Google Docs really does have a really neat way of typing, so you actually don't need to use your keyboard at all. If you wanted to make things quicker and get loads of these articles out and get loads of articles submitted to loads of different places, you can use voice to text and or voice to type, whatever it's called. And so all you're going to do is you're going to have Google Docs open and you're going to read the parts of the article that you want to use. And while you're reading it, Google Docs is going to type it because it's going to pick up what you're saying and it's going to type it out for you. If that's not something you want to do and copy and pasting is easier for you, then copy and paste is super fast anyway. So all you have to do is structure the article. And that's all there is to it. And like I said, there are so many sites that if you go and look on Money Pantry, they have 101 sites that you can see here. Motorhome, 900 per post. And you're going to find absolutely tons of them. General interest ones, 100 to 300 per post. This one here pays per word, per post. And you can see here how much it is per post. There's a bunch of them that pay a ton. Clarksworld, 500 to 1,380 per post. So these are the things that you can do in your spare time and you can actually make a really, really good side income with it. So if that is something that interests you and you do want to give it a go, check out the links below. I'm going to put links in the description to all the sites I've said here, and go give it a go. Sign up. Let me know what you think. So if you've got value from this video, if you do like the idea of the copy and paste, give the video a like. If you're not a subscriber currently, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave and hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we put out new content. And for this video, guys, that is all for now, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.